Hello, my name is Robyn and I just wanted to share with you real quick my keto story. I started keto in January of this year. I weighed 355 pounds and I have gotten down to 300 pounds when I found Preston's 15-day Kickstart and thought might as well try this out and see how it works. I lost a total of 10 pounds and over 15 inches in that 15-day challenge. It really helped me get over a hump in the road, and the Facebook page that he has, the people are so encouraging and so helpful. I am truly I feel blessed that I have found this page and that I have found the support through Preston's Kickstart. I am looking forward to his 6-week program that he's thinking about doing. So anyways, I just wanted to share with you, I've dedicated myself to lose 100 pounds this year, and I am 65 to 70 pounds down, so I will get there.